Hello, welcome to Decoding AP Computer Science A. My name is Mox Jawa and I'm very excited to be teaching this course. There are a variety of things that I'll be going over in this lecture. These things include the target audience, an overview of APCS, the course syllabus, and just a little bit about myself. Let's start off by making sure you're taking the right course. APCS or AP Computer Science A is a college-level course meant for high schoolers. If you're a high schooler taking APCS at your high school, this course is good for practice and comprehension of specific topics and an excellent supplement to help with the APCS test and your class. If you're not taking the APCS at your school, this is an adequate resource to help you prepare for and perform well on the APCS test. Not in high school? Not a problem. This is a good and free introduction to Java. The only prerequisite for this course is basic knowledge of algebra, and absolutely zero coding experience is required. Now, a quick overview of APCS. In APCS, you program using the Java programming language. APCS is equivalent to an introductory CS course in college. However, that should not intimidate you. APCS saves money and time for you, and I'll be there to guide you throughout the course. The objective of APCS, according to College Board, is to understand core aspects of computer science which you can use to create solutions that are understandable and adaptable. Check out the external resources for a link that provides you with a more in-depth overview of APCS. Now, let's take a look at the APCS test. The APCS test lasts for 3 hours approximately. There are 40 multiple choice questions and 4 free response questions. The multiple choice questions must be completed within 75 minutes and the free response questions must be completed within 105 minutes. Both the multiple choice and free response questions have an equal weightage. There have been some notable changes in the APCS test since 2014. Most notably, the grid world case study has been removed. So if you're using any external preparation and it includes the grid world case study, please ignore that because that's not applicable to any APCS test 2015 onwards. In order to get a 5 or the highest score possible on the APCS test, one must score greater than an 80%. Now, the exact percentage varies from year to year depending on the curve. The APCS test is held around May, depending on what College Board assigns for that each year. Now, a quick overview of the class. There are many textbooks that I recommend for preparing for this test, including the most recent Barron's APCS Guide and Dito's Java How to Program 8th edition. Both of these books are paid. A free alternative is Introduction to Programming Using Java. All of these books are linked to in the external resources. I repeat, these books are simply recommended and most definitely not required. Almost all the lectures will be screencasts, just like this one. I'm 100% dedicated to this course, so you can schedule office hours with me at any time. Just email me at help@apcs.tv. I'm additionally willing to schedule free one-to-one private lessons through video call. That's an option if you're interested. As for coding assignments, I will give you assignments as separate text lectures. The solution will be attached to the lecture for you to check your work. Occasionally you can send code to code@apcs.tv. I'll get into more detail about this as the time comes. There are many students and many ways to teach. I will be teaching a combination of project-based and structured programming. Now, this is a fairly extensive course, so I recommend you pace yourself as you go through and not try to complete everything in just one day. This course not only prepares you for the exam, but also makes sure you end up knowing how to code, which is as important as the exam itself. I've tried to keep the lectures short and sweet to make sure that you practice in between and make sure that you comprehend every single topic. Now, just a little bit about myself, so I'm not a mysterious voice behind the screen. My name is Moksh Jawa, and I'm a 15-year-old sophomore in high school. I received a 5 on the APCS exam in 9th grade, and I love to code and spread computer science education, and now I want to make computer science education available to all, and this is exactly why I've created this course. Now, this should not be something that blows you away. If I can get a 5 on the test, then anybody can. And I'm really excited to be teaching this course, and I hope you share the same sentiment. Thank you.